Welcome to AI Mind Blowing, the channel where we explore the cutting-edge advancements in artificial intelligence. Today, we're diving into a topic that sounds like it's straight out of a science fiction movie: AI-generated human clones. The rise of AI cloning. The so-called AI clones aim to recreate the cognitive processes, decision-making abilities, and even personality traits of humans through the power of artificial intelligence. The concept has been brewing for decades. Having started as rudimentary chatbots that could respond to basic queries, AI entities now exhibit astonishingly human-like behavior and reasoning. Take Delphi, for instance. The startup named after the ancient Greek fortune teller allows you to create AI chatbots that mimic your personality, style of writing, or even speaking, all that thanks to the data you supply. Another example comes from Synthesia, a startup that already made several media headlines. The company allows you to build your own avatar by cloning your voice and body. What can you clone? AI cloning technology currently available on the market can replicate the content we create and mimic our voice, looks, and movements. Later, you can deploy your AI clone on a website, integrate it into Slack, or even hook it up to conferencing software to participate in calls on your behalf. Here's a more comprehensive rundown of what an AI clone of yourself can replicate. Your content. These AI clones can reenact and enhance your creative endeavors, generating new content across mediums, from text to artistic creations. At the forefront of this category are text generation AI clones. They have evolved beyond mere text synthesis and can now produce an array of written material, articles, reports, blog posts, and even poetry while maintaining your reasoning and writing style. The key technology behind a writer clone of yourself is large language modeling. Large language models are pre-trained on large datasets, which allows them to learn grammar, vocabulary, and sentence structure, as well as develop a broad understanding of context. Later, these models are fine-tuned on more specific, narrow datasets that include text samples of a person whose style and, we dare to say, the way of thinking is to be replicated. Feedback loops also help to review the text generated by AI models for stylistic accuracy. If you are not interested in copying your writing, you can create an AI clone of yourself that makes art instead. AI-driven art generators can create new artworks by learning from already existing masterpieces using neural style transfer techniques. As part of our collaboration with a renowned artist, we at IT Rex helped craft a cloning solution that generated new artworks based on the style of the artist and the masters he drew inspiration from. Your voice AI clones produce natural-sounding voice content by replicating human speech patterns, intonation, and accents. Voice clones rely on a combination of technologies, the essential ones being natural language processing and text-to-speech. The former helps voice clones understand and interpret text input, while the latter converts written text into spoken words. To generate realistic voices, voice cloning solutions are pre-trained on vast datasets of human speech. These datasets usually contain recordings of diverse speakers, which helps AI algorithms learn different accents, tones, and styles. During fine-tuning, voice cloning algorithms are honed based on the voice samples of a specific person. There are plenty of voice cloning tools on the market, but 11 Labs is probably the best known. The platform synthesizes a voice that closely matches your vocal characteristics based on the recordings you upload. Though quite credible, such tools are still not perfect for live conversations, as the response times of an AI clone of yourself can vary depending on the desired quality level. In some cases, the delay may be around 1 second. Your looks. AI cloning technology also allows you to create visual representations of yourself. To create a 2D clone, an AI model takes an existing image of a person as input and generates a new image that mirrors their appearance. This process often involves encoding facial features, expressions, and textures. 2D cloning usually relies on computer vision and deep learning to generate faces and transfer styles. A popular example of a 2D cloning solution is Dreambooth. The service allows you to upload images of yourself and, using text prompts, generate new ones in various situations. You heard that right. AI technology has advanced to the point where it can create incredibly realistic human-like figures, often referred to as clones. These AI-generated clones are not actual living beings, but rather digital or physical representations created by AI algorithms. The development of AI-generated human clones has been a significant milestone in the field of artificial intelligence. Through advanced algorithms and deep learning techniques, AI can now generate highly detailed and lifelike human avatars. So, how does this process actually work? AI utilizes vast amounts of data, including images, videos, and 3D scans, to understand and replicate human features, movements, and expressions. This data is then used to train AI models, allowing them to generate eerily realistic human-like figures. Of course, the development of AI-generated human clones raises important ethical considerations. Questions about consent, privacy, and the potential misuse of this technology are at the forefront of the discussion. As we continue to push the boundaries of AI, it's crucial to consider the ethical implications and ensure responsible use of these powerful tools. To sum it up, from text, voice, and image replication to the promise of lifelike movement cloning, AI technology is fundamentally altering how we interact with and perceive the digital landscape. The evidence is compelling. AI cloning is not science fiction, it's a present-day phenomenon. The numbers shared by the industry leader Synthesia only prove it. More than 15,000 businesses have already generated more than 4.5 million videos using the platform. Yet, with the transformative power of AI cloning comes ethical responsibility. Privacy, consent, and transparency are critical considerations that must underpin the development and usage of AI clones. As AI technology continues to evolve, interdisciplinary collaborations between developers, ethicists, psychologists, and domain experts will be vital in steering AI cloning in the ethical direction. In conclusion, the emergence of AI-generated human clones is a testament to the incredible capabilities of artificial intelligence. While it's a fascinating and mind-blowing development, it's essential to approach this technology with careful consideration and ethical awareness. Thank you for joining us on AI Mind Blowing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-bending explorations of AI. Until next time, keep pushing the boundaries of possibility with the power of AI.